so excited about. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Thank you so much for watching the first one, and this is just gonna be another couple days in our life as we work on this van. Today we're working on the framing, and then we're also working on the electrical panel that's going to be in the garage space under our bed, and that's where all of the wiring is going to connect to our main power system. So we're working on putting that all in. We also put some really sturdy pieces of wood to start our bed framing, just kind of working out the details for that. So that's where we're going to start this video off, and I'll show you what we've done so far. Dirt smudges on the face, wood chips in the hair. Living your best life. Hi everyone, it's a couple days later. I filmed a few clips yesterday in my bathroom, so that's just real life. Today we have kind of a late start. We've been working all morning, so we are going to start wiring the lights that are going to be hanging above. We got these little LED puck lights. Those are going to be on the roof, under the cabinets, and on either side of our bed. And we're going to start wiring those, and then we're also going to start measuring the walls so we can put our walls down. We also got some really exciting packages for the van today, which I'm so excited about. We got the what's it called? We got the sink, and I'll show you some videos of that. And then we also, my favorite part, we got the comforter that we're gonna use. It's this really cute like striped green, and I'm really excited. So those came in the mail today. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful day. Look at the sun. It's so pretty outside. We're working on the van again. Surprise, surprise. I don't really know what the boys are doing. I've been out this morning, so let's go see what the boys are up to.
Greetings.
Hi, boys.
Do you feel me tugging on it?
Do I feel you tugging on it?
Yeah.
No.
Hi, baby.
Hi. Trying to get the wire through.
Yeah.
It's tricky, isn't it?
Stuck.
You're so scraped up. Oh yeah. Thanks, Annie. We did it! We did it! Ceiling reveal! Woo! Alright. Oh my gosh. I finished the wiring for the lights for now. That was our ceiling, which I'm so excited about. We finished insulating the ceiling of the van, and now they are cutting out all the spots where our air fan and our lights are gonna go. Seeing real progress today. Alright, a couple of days later, I think. I honestly can't remember what we worked. Today we're going to continue putting the wall in. We started measuring and cutting it on Saturday, but now today we're actually going to be able to put it in, which is great. Today is another bathrobe day, so, you know, you just gotta have those days. Yeah. Literally hailing outside and we're stuck in the van right now, but so happy that the wall's finally up and we just installed the water tank and we're securing it to the ground so that while we're driving it doesn't go everywhere. Let's see what the weather says for the rest of the day. I would just like to say that about a week ago I said that I was so thankful about how warm it was and how last year around this time it was snowing. Last year around this time they were in like feet of snow. So thankfully it's been in the 50s and 60s. It's still been really warm. Well, guess what? We woke up to snow in May. We are headed to IKEA today. We're gonna drive down to the valley to Salt Lake City and we're gonna get some hopefully find some cabinets. We're just kind of looking. We need those cabinets for above the bed. We might also look for the kitchenette cabinets. You know what I mean. And hopefully it's going to warm up and stop snowing. That would be great. Sibling trip to IKEA. Our cabinets.
Marley.
Welcome to the family.